Hey, what's up bros, it's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Google Play on your brand new Huawei P50 or P50 Pro. But first time in the history I don't have the phone P50 or P50 Pro. It's because the local Huawei, the Czech Huawei, I live in Central Europe by the way, they don't have them. It's a bit complicated, everything is unusual due to the US sanctions, but I have here the Mate X2 with Harmony OS, so the tutorial will be the same as with Huawei P50 series. I'm doing my best for you brothers, but before we started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. And also, don't forget to visit my website, phonetech.cz. Thank you so much. And now, let's go. So brothers, as always, all you have to do is go to my website. So go to description of this video. Now, right now. Go to description and tap on that link. And the link takes you to my website, to this site. On the website, scroll a bit down until you see this file, gspace 1.0.5. Tap on it. Now you will see the gspace icon Phonetech, big blue button. Tap on the big blue button and tap on download. Now the file is downloading right now. Nice animation. Okay, the file is downloaded. Next, go back. Search for files, application, this one, on your Huawei P50 or P50 Pro. Search for phone, download, browser. This is the file. We downloaded it already. Tap on it, hold the finger on it. Four dots right here. Extract to, leave it as it is. Okay. This is the extracted file. Tap on it again. And this is the file we are looking for, gspace. Tap on gspace, allow. It says something, they don't want users to use Google Play on their devices, so they're pushing their own upgrade platform and they hate Google. Now tap on install. Tap on open, tap on start, tap on allow, tap on allow again, and now we have to wait, brothers. This is very fast. Now, important thing, I say it again, don't use your primary Google account with GSpace. For safety reasons, always use your secondary account or create your secondary Google account. It is very simple. So use your secondary Google account and don't use your banking applications. Okay? Create your secondary Google account and you will be fine. Now, all we have to do is tap on some of these icons. So I tap on YouTube. This is the sign in page. Tap on sign in, brothers. Tap on sign in. What is this? It says Google Play Protect is turned on. And by the way, this is a virtual machine, a sandbox machine. So this is not core Google Play on your device, but it is better than nothing. And there is no method to this day. We can use Google Play with Google Fire or other methods on our devices with Harmony OS or with Android 10 with EMUI 11. There is no way to use Google Fire. Now the options left we have is GSpace and OurPlay, but the GSpace is better than OurPlay, but in both cases use your secondary Google account. Okay? Dismiss this, and from here you can sign in with your Google account. So I'm gonna sign in with my Google. Uncheck this, accept, and now we can download. Okay. close everything and now if you open the G-Space application and tap on the YouTube, we can install YouTube application on the Huawei P50. And as you can see, the YouTube is now downloading, and this is how you can get Google Play on your Huawei P50 or P50 Pro, the brand new smartphones. And we can of course use YouTube. So if you tap on open, it will open. Okay, it will open a YouTube application, and this is my video, and everything is working. So now the question is what to do if you want to install other application. It is very simple, brothers. Tap on some of these applications and the app takes you to Google Play. Go back and from here search for your favorite application. Let's try Messenger. Tap on install and the Messenger will be installed on your Huawei P50 or P50 Pro. As you can see, it's downloading right now. The Play Protect is turned on. And if I tap on open, it will open the Messenger application. It is very simple, very easy. So all you have to do if you want Google Play on your Huawei P50 is go to my website and download all the G-Space app, which is working very fine, very nice, without errors, etc. Install the G-Space, log in with your secondary Google account, open G-Space, and from here you can download everything you want. I will show you one more application, one more game. This is the YouTube. Sorry. Again, if I tap on Gmail and I can install everything. For example, Genshin Impact. Over 10 million downloads. Great game. So, and the Genshin Impact is downloading right now into my Huawei P50. Of course, this is the Mate X 2 I said before. So I do hope, brothers, you ended up enjoying the video. This was how to get Google Play on your Huawei P50, brand new smartphone from Huawei. Thank you so much. Like the video, share the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also visit my website phonetech.cz for news from Huawei, Honor and other Xiaomi, Samsung over 55k subscribers. This is your success, brothers. Thank you so much. And as always, stay phone tech, bros. Thank you.